Do you like to make vintage crafts like albums and journals? Do you sometimes wonder how to make an image more vintage before printing? In this video I'm going to show you how to do that easily. Hello everyone, my name is Tina, I am the designer and co-founder of VectoriaDesigns. Now, sometimes for your crafting, images and printables are just not vintagey enough. I'm going to show you how to give images and printables more of a vintagey look on Befunky.com. Actually, I'm going to show you 3 different ways how to do that. By the way, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you like to craft with paper. Go to Befunky.com, click on Photo Editor, and then upload the picture you want to edit. I already uploaded mine. Just click on Upload, Computer and find your image. I'm going to work with an image I found on Pixabay for free. By the way, I talked about Pixabay in last week's video. If you like to see what other free resources you can find online, check out that video. I'll mention it in the description. For the first way, go to the far left toolbar and make sure it's set on Edit. It's the one with the sliders icon. Click on Color, and then you get 3 sliders, one for hue, one for saturation and one for temperature. Slide down the saturation and slide up the temperature until you're happy. And confirm. To save your artwork, go to the top of the screen and click Save and Your Computer. Make sure to set the quality to 100, give it another name if you like, and click Save. Then save it wherever you like on your computer. The second way to make your image more vintage is to go to your tools on the far left again and click on Effects. And then scroll until you find Sepia. There's only one option, so click on it. And then click on the icon with the sliders. This way you can adjust the levels a bit better at your liking. So play with the highlights. I like to play with the shadows more, so it gets older. See? For this image, I played with the shadows and the effect amount until I was happy. And then confirm. And again, save your item to your computer. For the third option, go to your toolbox on the left again and click on Layer Manager. Click Add Layer, and on my computer I'm going to choose a file of a very old piece of paper that I also found on Pixabay, by the way. And that old piece of paper gets put right on top of my image. Drag the handles to enlarge the image so it fills the whole image below. And then with this layer still selected, put the blend mode into multiply. And you see your image is instantly vintage. And then I'd like to play with the colors a bit more, so I click Color again, like we did in the first time. And I'm starting to play with the saturation and the hue and the temperature until I am very happy. There. Now this image is still a bit dark, so I'm going to Exposure. I'm going to put or the brightness up or the highlights. I like to mix both of them a little bit, so I bring the highlights up and then I will bring the brightness up a bit too until I'm happy with the colors. And then confirm and again save the file to your computer. I hope this video inspired you. By the way, you can also use Befunky.com to add text to your printables before printing. Click on the card or down below on the link to see that video. Thumbs up if you like this video and don't hesitate to share with your friends. Thanks for watching and I wish you a very happy day.